fabulous people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, D-Yetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the April Delta box. For those of you who aren't familiar, the Delta box is a subscription-based box that is exclusive for members of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. So if that is something that interests you, there will be a link in the description below where you can subscribe to the Delta box. And if you subscribe using that link, you'll save $10 off of your first box. So right now we're going to go ahead and get right into it, and I'm going to show you guys what was in this month's box. So every month there is a theme in the box, and this month's theme is Oh, the Places You Will Go. This box includes a Delta Sigma Theta garment bag, a crimson laundry bag, a large organizer bag, a small organizer bag, as well as a Delta Sigma Theta passport cover and luggage tag. That's a lot of good things that are in this box. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start unpackaging this. So you guys can tell, like, this is in real time. I haven't seen what's in the box yet. And I am seeing it as I show it to you all. So here is the luggage tag. Isn't that pretty? And then there's the information card that you can slide in there. And then here is said strap so that you can put that on your luggage. Yeah, I really like that. And I like how the Delta Sigma Theta is like engraved in here. So absolutely going to be using that. Okay, next is this Delta Sigma Theta passport cover. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. And it is giving like the same like faux leather feel. The Delta Sigma Theta is in bows in this as well. And then you can see there's a cutout here of a triangle, a pyramid, and then there are your credit card slots here on the side. So very functional. Packing cubes. Okay, so this is nice. So this is, I want to say this is probably the large organizer bag. And so in essence what this is, it's a packing cube. I actually legitimately use packing cubes even in my carry-on luggage. It just helps me keep everything organized. And then here is the small organizing cube. So same setup. It has the crest and the shield on the zipper pulls. It has the same mesh see-through top, and then the depth of it. I hope you guys can see that there. This, I believe, is going to be the laundry bag. So you can see that. Delta Sigma Theta printed on each side. So look at this. It snaps open and close. And so that is the length of it. And then last but definitely not least, we have the garment bag. So it has the same Delta Sigma Theta print, and you guys can see I can barely get this in the whole shot. So for storage purposes, it snaps as well. So I hope you guys can see this is a full length garment bag. So I hope that you guys found that video useful. I always love coming and showing you guys what's in the Delta box, because every month I don't know what's in the box either. And so it's just as much of a surprise for me as it is for you guys. There is a link in the description box below. You can use that link, and if you do, you'll save on your first subscription. So until the next time, I will see you fabulous people. Stay fabulous.